After we had built Broker Estimate, a few customers asked us to create some indication on the bid for whether the customer had been called after the bid was submitted. We felt that a simple checkbox could not be the mechanism for monitoring submitted bids. In fact, when considering this, we realized that sales management needs to start long before the bid is submitted. We simulated different sales processes with our customers, and that's how we started to build BSM into what it is known today. This is why we define sales management as the whole chain of activities that starts with the identification of sales potential and leads to the redemption of promises made. All this is built into Broker Site Manager. Would you like to know more? Get in touch with us. We'd love to tell you more.